Lincoln Community School 3-4 classes are trying to make the nature trail a better place for human learners and the natural world. We started by interviewing people. The first question, how do you use the nature trail? And the second one, how do you think that we can make it a better place for human learners and the natural world?
How do you use the nature trail?
We use the nature trail as an outdoor classroom. We use the nature trail as a place to go, like when we're exploring. We do it to snowshoe. We don't only want to go swimming. And then we do it when we want to just have a fun hike. And yeah.
How can we make it better?
I think that we can make it better, like, if we could, well, I don't really know how, but I think, like, we need to be able to see the pond, and maybe we could do, like, a pathway to it or something, but that'd be hurting the animals' habitat. Yeah. The Lincoln Community School's nature trail is used for learning about trees and nature and the wildlife. Is also used for the outdoor classroom. There is a pond, a river, and I am standing in front of the outdoor classroom. How are you working on the nature trail to make it a better place for human learners and the natural world?
Well, the group I'm in is making signs, so I think we're using pieces of dead trees so we don't kill the alive trees, and we're not using dead trees that made home for the animals.
So, I was wondering what your work group was doing and what it was called. We're doing the boardwalk. And how is that going to be helping us make the nature trail a better place for human learners and the natural? Well, for human learners, it's going to make it a better place because it's really muddy, and whenever you go out there, you get really dirty and everything. Chandler, what are you doing?
Oh, well, I'm digging a hole and put this big culvert behind you. So we can let all this mud and water all the way down.
Yeah, cool,
all the way down to the pond.
Nice. It's one big mud pile.
Yep, not too long.
Whoa, that looks like a lot of plywood down there. It's really muddy, isn't it?
Yep. It came from an old ditch.
An old ditch?
Yep.
Okay, these need to be dragged. We're handicapped because our pruners don't really work. And I'm going to take a next group. Maybe I can leave Ian and Wyland.
With no pruning.
Under. Roll it. Under further. Good.
So this is the same class.
Perfect. Okay, you guys, we're going to have to scoot this. Wait, can that roll?
Huh?
We're not going to. We're probably going to have to push this. Push that in. Perfect. Okay.
What are you guys making?
We're going to make benches.
Where are you?
Get it down later. Put them by the
What is your group doing to improve the nature trail? Building boardwalks because it's really wet and mucky. What have you guys done so far? We've kind of started building them, and we've got the boards ready and stuff, and yeah. What are you guys doing?
Well, we're painting rocks to go on the rock wall, and we just made this sign.
I am marking the spots where the crew down making the bridge, putting it together, will hammer.
For the bridge?
So it's for the bridge. So we're marking the holes where they'll pound it in down below.
Hi, Anya.
Hi. That's a big rock.
This is one that Roman painted. It's going to be along the nature trail to mark different spots.
What is your group doing to help make the nature trail a better place for human learners and the natural world? Well, we're making a book to help identify trees, and we're drawing a silhouette and the leaf of the tree, and then we're taking a photograph of the farm, and we're putting facts down on the tree. How are you improving the nature trail?
I am with the Treehouse group. I am helping the wildlife by making nests, making benches, not just for the wildlife, but also for human learners. We're making benches and new trails and cleaning up a little bit. And yeah.
What have you already done?
We have made a couple nests and cleared some paths. Thank you.
Our 3-4 class has finished making the improvements on the nature trail. They made this archway. They also made this sign. It says LTS, Nature Trail, Walk, Look, and Listen, Explore, and Experience. One of the things that the 3-4 classes has been doing to improve the nature trail is making bird houses and other animal houses for animals to live in. This is the birdhouse, one of the birdhouses that they made. Our 3-4 classes made a staircase so it's easier for people to walk up and down this big mound when they're walking on the nature trail. The 3-4 classroom made a dock to learn about the pond and about the different things in the pond. We made this dock so people could look around and have fun exploring. The 3-4 classes made this boardwalk for people to walk and not get their feet muddy. As you can see, it is very muddy. We have made this so that it will last a long time and hope that other people can enjoy it. Our 3-4 classes made benches, new benches, so there wasn't rotted wood, so it was more fun for people to sit down. There's that one and this one. We made this beautiful stone wall, and so people can admire it and think about how beautiful it is. Thank you for watching this video. We hope that you can come and visit the nature trail. We hope the nature trail is still being enjoyed years from now. Goodbye!